One of the things that you need to do is to create a very clear supply chain. You need to know where the product is basically being shipped, how it's being picked, how you procure it, how you make it basically. So you need to have a full visibility all the way from your producer to who is actually doing the transportation for you. In each of these steps you need to know the cost, you need to know where you can improve in order to get the price levels and the expectations that the customer have. So in my mind, it's very often price currently that we need to focusing on to be competitive. If we look into what kind of technologies that is kind of supporting these trends which you see in the market today, we see a lot of customers going and looking for transportation and inventory optimization. We see typically those who's working for logistics and replenishment systems to help in that. We also see a lot of companies asking for product lifecycle management in order to know more about the product, the lifespan of the product. We often see in the market now that products have a much shorter product lifecycle. Typically they can release a product, it lives for maybe a few months, and then you have another product getting into the market. And this creates a lot of constraints and difficulties, especially to the supply chain logistics, but also the way we do integrations between different parties. We also see a lot of people looking on megatrends, looking on big data to understand how the market is. And they're using this data to further optimize and decide how we should produce, where we should produce it, and what kind of materials we also should have. And further on, it goes on and asking which kind of distributor can we use in the market today in order to meet the demands we see at the customer. Some customers want to go to the store, somebody wants the product at the door, somebody would like to go to a web page and just get it in your mail. You have so many different kinds of ways people actually want to have your products.